Hello good guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be teaching you how to render HTML file in Django project. First of all, open your project which you have created by following previous videos. So in the previous video we have learned how to create a dynamic URL. So we have seen how to create a dynamic URL. So I told you in this video we are going to learn how to render HTML file in Django project. So first thing first, so navigate to the setting.py of the project and then we need to locate the templates list. Like here in the template list you can see there is DIRs, this stand for directories. So we are going to copy one things here, base address of the base dir of this project. So I copied and we are going to paste inside the dirs. Fine, here then comma we can write here templates, templets, templates. So we have set the settings what is where we are going to add the templates to this project. Save it. Hereafter we can navigate to this project. You can see where I am clicking on just here left panel outside mouse pointer we can see. Then I went to here, create a new folder. Make sure this folder should be outside the this project. Okay, this project I am pointing out, so it should be in the templates. I have created a folder called the templates. You can see this folder is created outside this app. Fine, since we are going to render the HTML template page, so we need to create one of the HTML file under the template. So select the templates folder, click over there and create a new files. So I am going to create one HTML file which is known as student marks.html. I am keeping in mind for further for future exercise, that's why I am giving the name student marks.html. In this one we are going to create a HTML here. So this is because of extension, so I am going to delete the unwanted the comments file. This is I don't need, I just keep clean. I am going to write one paragraph P. In the paragraph P I am going to write here, so something is there guys, let me see here, paragraph P. I am going to write this is a page to display student, students, we can say students marks. Close the paragraph. You can redesign, you can improve this page later. So just I want to write a single paragraph and render it. So guys, you can see I have created a HTML file under the template folder. Now we need to go and create a view, because view is the one will render the HTML template page. Okay, so we are going to view. In the view we need to create a function view. So we are going to create a def function view. Name is student, as I have given a student marks, we can say student marks, then bracket, pass this parameter request, pass the request parameter, double colon, then return. So this function should return render. So before writing the return statement I am going to include one of important package which is very important for the rendering the HTML file. So from Django dot shortcut import render. So I have imported. Now I am going to return render, because this is a function we have imported from the shortcut of the Django. So render, what you are going to render? Render may take a different parameters. Currently I am passing one of the request parameter followed by a file name, HTML file name inside the template. Currently in the template folder you can see here we have only one file, a students marks.html. So we are going to write that name. So I am going to the view, I am going to write a student, let me see what is the file name, student marks.html. Guys, if you have any subfolder under the template, we need to use that subfolder name here and slash. Okay, so currently I don't have any subfolder here, so I'm just writing straight away the file name. So here we have return the render, save it. Now we need to map this view. This view need to be mapped with the URL. So we are going to the URL and then we need to map it. So I am writing here pat path bracket. Path can take different parameters. Currently we are going to pass the URL. So writing a student marks slash and then we link the view. So views dot name of the view student marks. So you need to check whether your server is running or not. If you can see that my server is running, you can see. So I just go there and I visit and I pass here. Ignore guys, this error you can ignore because this is index. I'm not care about that. Slash student marks. Here you go. I'm seeing that error is coming. Let me check why error is coming. Okay, I forgotten to save this URL. You can see I didn't see. You can see the white color on top. Save it. Server is running. Go there. Enter that. Here you go. This page to display student marks. This is a page I have created guys, students. This is page to display student marks. So you can see we are able to render the HTML file, which is stored in the templates folder of the Django project. So hello guys, hope you have managed to understand. If not, please rewind the video and watch again. See you in the next video teaching you how to pass the data to the HTML template. Bye bye.